Undoubtedly, the A50 series is a success story for Samsung's Galaxy lineup due to the great mass sales and adoption thanks to the solid price point and the features it usually brings. Now that A53 is here and officially announced, we wanted to focus on 5 core areas in which we think really make the A53 stand out. Hi, Ben from SamMobile. If you enjoy exclusive and new videos like this, then be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos on YouTube or SamMobile TV. Here is our quick fire video of the best features we feel are on the Galaxy A53. Credit to Samsung here for polishing up and making the overall build quality of the A53 feel better than the previous model. Yes, on paper it seems like the materials being used are the same, from Gorilla Glass 5 at the front and the mostly plastic material for the body, but for someone like myself who spent personally a considerable amount of length of time with the A53, the difference is noticeable by a decent amount. Just how much better it feels when using the A53. Coupled with the fact that Samsung still maintained IP67 water and dust resistance, this takes a solid premium feature addition you just don't expect to find at this price point and this device category. Most devices in this mid-range segment tend to have display limitations that are expected and a given, whether it be the use of an LCD panel at 60, 90 or 120 Hz, or the use of a low brightness AMOLED display limited to 60 Hz. The A53 on the other hand uses a center hole punch infinity hole display at a full high definition plus resolution with a Super AMOLED panel while still having 120 Hz high refresh rate all at the same time, coupled with the 6.5 inch screen size and a high brightness mode of up to 800 nits. This feels like the least compromised mid-range smartphone display you can get right now and really sets itself apart from the competition. If I speak for myself here, this is one feature or support I did not expect Samsung to give and allow for the Galaxy A series this time around. But here we are. The Galaxy A53 will get 4 years of OS version updates with 5 years worth of security updates, meaning the A53 should be good all the way up to Android 16. Backed with the fact that it came with One UI 4.1 out of the box with new core feature improvements like changing RAM plus quantity in device care, Samsung are really pushing to be the default top standard for software support on Android over the long term. A quick word from our channel affiliate partner NordVPN. As our preferred VPN of choice, NordVPN gives you a secure connection while keeping a fast speed and also access to content in different regions on popular services like Netflix. Use our unique link for your NordVPN plan and our coupon code SamMobile, backed with a risk-free 30-day money-back guarantee. The headphone port and the usual included charger in the box are gone this time around, but we still are pleased to see the slot for the micro SD card still remains, enabling an additional up to 1 TB of storage. As the last time we saw this feature on a flagship Galaxy smartphone was all the way back on the Note 20 Ultra, there is still always the fear that even the mid-range Galaxy devices will soon have this feature removed. This time around, the micro SD card slot still makes the cut and we are grateful to see it here. Although sad not to see a charger come with the Galaxy A53, it is at least great to see support for 25-watt charging still stays and remains, and also an increase in the battery capacity to 5000 milliamps. We will do a detailed test on the charging speeds on video on SamMobile TV, but early results show a full charge in roughly 1 hour 24 minutes and 50% charge in nearly 30 minutes. This is a great combination to have for the battery and charging on the A53. Since moving from the previous 8nm Snapdragon 750G chipset to the new 5nm Exynos 1280 chipset, still with 5G support, there is more confidence this time around for not just good and hopefully consistent long-term performance, but also better efficiency aiding to better battery life. Coupled with the bigger battery, Samsung's claim of a 2-day battery life might potentially be a reality. Now, we still think this is down to very moderate and light usage, but a great sign of things to come for performance and especially battery life. With all the performance, features and long-term support on tap here from the A53 this time around, it looks like Samsung's almost perfected the formula for the best all-around mid-range device. Our written review is live on SamMobile.com, which will be in the description below, with our video review coming soon as our review unit lands here. Are you considering the A53 this time around? Let us know your thoughts, as always, in the comment section below. For the latest news in the world of Samsung Daily, be sure to visit us at sammobile.com. For the latest videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, and we will see you next time.